Hi, I'm Jason Wilk, and in this video we'll be showing you how to install the 901-49Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on this CS303T top handle chainsaw. Before we get started, we just want to make sure we have safety glasses, a piece of wire we can bend in the shape of a hook to remove the fuel filter from the fuel tank, a 19mm spark plug wrench, and of course the 901-49Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit. Before we replace the spark plug, we want to take the chain brake and move it to the forward or on position. We want to go ahead and pull the choke lever out, which will keep any dirt or debris from falling into the carburetor. And then we want to make sure our ignition switch is in the stop position. To replace the spark plug, we'll disconnect the spark plug boot from the top of the spark plug by pulling on it. Then using our 19mm spark plug wrench, we'll go ahead and unthread the spark plug from the engine in a counterclockwise direction. And then using the replacement spark plug from the YouCan maintenance tune-up kit, we'll go ahead and just thread it with our fingers initially into the engine. Then come back with our 19mm spark plug wrench and tighten it back into the engine block. Then we'll go ahead and push the spark plug boot back onto the top of the spark plug until you hear a little click. To replace the fuel filter, we'll loosen and remove the fuel cap from the fuel tank. Using our piece of wire, we'll reach into the fuel tank and pull out the fuel filter, which is at the end of the fuel line pickup. We'll just go ahead and grab a hold of that line with the clamp, hold it in place, twist off the old filter, slide on the new filter, just making sure that clamp stays in place. And then we'll go ahead and tuck it back into the fuel tank and reinstall our fuel cap. To replace the air filter, we'll need a flat blade screwdriver to go ahead and just unthread this air filter cover in a counterclockwise direction. Once that's loose, we'll pull the cover away, take the old filter out, install the new air filter, and then retighten the cover. This completes the installation of the 901-49Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on our CS303T. This kit does also fit other chainsaw models, so just be sure to check the back of the packaging. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for additional installation videos.